What is up, YouTube? This is Jim with JimLopez.com. In this video, I'm going to do a full review of Hypotenuse AI. Hypotenuse AI is a writing tool that specializes in SEO optimized content, but also factual information. So, in this video, I'm going to break down how to write a blog and how to use all the features related to the tool. So, make sure to stay to the end because I will be giving you my pros and cons. So, without further ado, let's get started. So once you log in, you're here on the dashboard, and it's pretty simple to navigate through this software here. Right here, you got the key features, you got the blog posts, Instagram captions, product description, rewrite content, summarize. So where I'm going to start first is for this one is to write a blog article. So I'm just going to go ahead and click here, and I believe it's a three-step process to where you can easily write a blog. So you have your title, your outline, and the actual article. So right here on top, we got the content brief and we have the knowledge. So based off the content brief is where you give it some information, and if you did knowledge, you can add update some documents, add some links, some live feeds, and then it would use that information to write the article. But we're gonna go ahead and use the content briefs, and right here you have write an article about, and it tells you. What the description of the topic, the goal of the article, point to include, points to exclude, so you can learn more about it. But we're gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a topic that I'm familiar with. So let me go and type that. Okay, the ultimate guide, flexible dieting, and then I went ahead and added what is if it fits your macros, which is a keyword related to flexible dieting. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it there, and then you come down here to the SEO pro mode. So right here is you would add your keywords. I'm just going to add the main keyword, flexible dieting. So if you add, different keywords, and then as you come down right here, you got the tone of voice. So we have in this tool, you also have the ability to have a brand voice, so you can set that up to where all your articles are similar, and it's using your brand voice. But for right now, we're just going to keep it conversational. But as you can see right here, you can also describe the tone of voice. And then right here, going real back real quick, your keywords, you can pick the country that you want to use. And then you have the choice of article length. So you got short, medium, and long. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it long for this one. And then you have advanced customization. So right here, not a lot of tools have these. A lot of, some of the best ones do. And it's the point of view. So you get to pick first person, second person, third person. I normally like to use first person. It really makes the article sound like it's coming from one person. And then you can describe your audience here, and I'm going to go ahead and put beginners. So describe your audience. You can describe your audience. So somebody that was looking to learn about flexible dieting, they're beginners. And I'm going to go ahead and describe your brand. So I just went ahead and put fitness blog. And then right here, if you're actually promoting a product or service, right here, describe the product or service. So you can add it there, and it would add it into the actual article. So I'm just going to go ahead and click generate title. So it gave us 4 titles to choose from. And then we have the ability to write our own title. So once you choose which one you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose that one. And then we're going to go ahead and create the outline. Okay, so I went ahead and created the outline. So right here it says SERP results based off of flexible dieting. So it says AI will generate a new outline referencing the SERP data. So if you wanted to use AI to do it, so then right here, what we have is the people also asked. So it has these questions here, and then these are the SERPs. These are the main articles that are currently ranked for that keyword. So you can actually see right here, you have the title, you have the URL, the rank number, the word count, links in it, and then how many headings. So if you hit the down button, it's actually giving you the outline for that one, and you can go through each one, and you can also see them. So this is a pretty incredible tool as well, that it shows you all the actual SERPs for that keyword there, and also the people also ask. So let me go ahead and go here to the right. So we have the outline. So Right here, you have what is flexible dieting, how flexible dieting works, and then this outline gives you the flexibility to where you can move things around, and then you can actually add more right here. Add a talking point for this paragraph. So creating a flexible dieting plan, and then you can go ahead and type something. So let me go ahead and type easy plan to follow. So right here, creating a flexible dieting plan. Somebody's going to want an easy plan. And then as you go through it here, you can also add more headings. You have an improve button. It says improve outline flow and rephrase headings. So if you weren't happy with the outline, you can just go ahead and click it there. But for this one, everything looks good. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit next. So right here we have the title, Flexible Dieting for Beginners, a no fuss guide. And then we have the outline here. So this tool here is actually really good for factual research. So right here at the bottom, as we come down, it says include factual research and hyperlink sources. So I'm going to go ahead and put yes. And then you have the ability to manage links to include, and then you can also exclude. So if you don't want to add some of your competitors, you can exclude their links in your article. So I'm just going to go ahead and generate article now. And as you can see right here on the right, it's going to go ahead and just start writing the article. And you can see it as it writes the information. So let me go ahead and give it a minute here to let it run. After about a minute, it went ahead and completed. So what's pretty cool about this tool is they have the SEO helper. So they have the optimize for Google search. They have the SEO score. So you don't have to worry about paying for an extra tool like Surfer SEO or Neon Writer. This one already has a built-in SEO score. So let's go ahead and just cover that real quick. So it says, congratulations, your article is fully optimized. So it happens to have 100%. So right here, it gives you the word count of your article compared to your competitors. It has the headings compared to your competitors, and then also the links. So, and then right here, as you go down, you have the SEO checklist. So if I click on it, it's giving you some checklist here to do. And if I go back, so then it has the keywords. So these are the keywords that it added. So no need to have to go do your own research. These are the keywords that it brought in. So the LSI keywords, NLP keywords. So those are the related terms. So I'm just going to go ahead and click this. So this is the article here. Right on top, you can share the URL with somebody else. You can change the different language settings. So if I click it here, you have the input language and then the output. So this one right here, you can quickly and easily write this article in a different language. If you had, different articles in different languages, you can do that. So they have a plagiarism checker, find internal links, and then you have different ways to export. So I'll cover that in a minute. And then they also have this turn it into, so you'll be able to turn this into an Instagram post, a LinkedIn post, and then you can also create your meta description. So like I said, this tool gives you the ability to be real flexible. So now that I wrote it, you can go through it. And what makes this tool is also unique is that as you're going through it, and let's just say this section here, calculating your macros. So if I wanted to, let me go ahead and do this. If I wanted to make any changes, I go ahead and let's just say I highlight this section. So they have a commands tab. So if I go ahead and hit the commands tab, you can actually write something here. So instruct AI to edit or compose, or you can have it to keep writing, create a list, add examples, uh, develop subheadings, weigh pro and cons, and transition between ideas. And you could also do a call, add a call to action. And then if you were just not happy with it, you can also just improve, simplify, shorten, expand, rephrase. So with this command, you can easily make any changes. So through the editing process, you can use this part here so you can finish off your articles. So let's just, for the sake of it, let's just say we wanted to create a list, or you know what, let's do, yeah, let's just go ahead and create a list. Okay, so I went ahead and created this section here. So determine your total daily calorie needs, and it has a numbers list. And as you go down here, you can accept it, replace it, discard, and then it has the other one. So I'm going to go ahead and accept it, and then now it went ahead and added it here. So you have that first paragraphs here, and then you have to follow. So as you can see here, as we go down, this article has it broken down, and then let me just go ahead and just keep showing you. And as you can see, they have the links in here. So if you actually click on it, you can see the link. You can open it, and you can copy the link, and you can also edit it. So let me just keep going down, and then let's get to the bottom here. So they have the conclusion. So like again, if I wanted to, I hit the commands, and if I wanted to do any changes here, if I wanted to keep writing, I can do that. So let me go ahead and leave that there. So this is their blog article writer. So let me go ahead and go back to the dashboard. So I'm back here at the dashboard, and right here on the left, you have the home page, which is the dashboard. You have the documents where it has all of the previous documentation that you have created, and then you can actually also create a product description. So if you have like a Shopify store and you have a lot of products, you can come in here, you can create a category, and you can build products, and then you would use this to for all of your product descriptions. They also have, which is a bulk generator. This one you would have to reach out to them, and you can do everything from Instagram captions, rewrite content, and blog articles. All of these in bulk form. And then, like I mentioned, with the e-commerce one, this is a solution for e-commerce enterprise. So you would have to chat with them, but you can do, like I said, the bulk SEO e-commerce content, and then they have all these other ones here. So I'm going to go ahead and go back, and then what they do have is it's called the Hypo Chat. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. So this was basically a chat bot. So what we have here, you can do a new chat, you can upload. It says drag and drop, upload PDF files, and then you can also do, like I said, ask it different questions. So right here, they have ask AI anything. You can do depth, speed. You can search the web, and you can upload a file. So right here, just for the sake of an example, we have write about a recent discovery at NASA James Webb Space Telescope. So I'm just going to go ahead and click that. All right, so went ahead and that quick press release for immediate release. This was June 24, 21, 2024, which is the date. And then you have the information about it. So I went ahead and quickly wrote it, and then it actually has for more information, and then it has the actual web address where I got this information from. So again, it also has, like I said, a chat bot built in. I'm going to go ahead and hit the home, and then it also has the hypo art. So for the art, it generates art. So this is an example that when I was messing with the tool, this is a spider web. So then right here, it would say describe your desired image, and then you can go ahead and click try example, guide me. You can set it, and then it has the different types. So they have the photograph, digital art, artwork, 3D rendering, and then they have the different mode and lighting. So you can really customize it, and then you can also do the square, the 1024 by 1024. You can do landscape or portrait. So like I said, these are the images. Let me go ahead and here was a waterfall that it created. Let me go ahead and go back to the dashboard. So they do have different templates you can use. Right here, they have the general ones. They have ads and social, and then they also have where you can invite members. So I'm gonna go to their website, and they have a 7-day free trial, no credit card required. I am going to put my affiliate link. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and click the link to that 7-day free trial. And then if you decide you actually like the tool, then you can sign up. Let me go ahead and just cover pricing real quick. So for pricing, they have the monthly and annual. So for the annual, you can save 17% off, or you can do monthly. So right here, they have the individual plan, the teams, and then the enterprise. So the solo one, which is $29 a month, you get 500, or excuse me, 50,000 words. And then this, of course, the factual article writing wizard. It comes in the 30 languages, and then you got the one user, and you get the basic chat with email support. And then for the Teams one, which is $59 a month, and right here you get 120,000 words, and then you get the plagiarism checker up to 5 users, and then high quality AI images. All right, so this is for the Teams one. Okay, so if you made it to the end of the video, I said I was going to cover the pros and cons. So the pros of this tool for me is that it's really easy to use. The learning curve is pretty quick. You can see it's pretty easy to use. For when it comes to the actual blog articles, I really like that you have flexibility, and then it's actual factual research, and then it also has the SEO optimization built in. When it comes to the cons, the only thing I can see is that when it comes to writing the articles, it doesn't add any of the AI images automatically, so you would have to go back, look up some of the AI images, and then add it to the actual article instead of just adding it itself. But besides that, it looks like a pretty good tool. So if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor, hit that like, subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And then, like I said, I'll put a link in the description, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.